Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the coolant temperature sensor on Mercedes C-Class generation W205. Stay with us guys, we'll be working in 4 different fuse boxes. We'll share information about hidden fuse boxes that can potentially, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. By the way, guys, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out guys, and you can see where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Before we start guys, for the coolant temperature sensor, it's very important to check the fuse and test your coolant temperature sensor before you buy one. It could be quite expensive, hard to replace. Okay, you have to bleed the cooling system, all that stuff after that. So check out the video on our YouTube channel how to test coolant temperature sensor. It will teach you how to do that step by step. Quick advice guys, 9 out of 10 owner of that Mercedes will not know that there will be 6-7 different hidden fuse boxes in that car. Some do not even look like fuse boxes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Now what do we need to do here? We need to come to the passenger side, and if you guys come here in the footwell compartment on the passenger side on the A pillar right there, let me get a closer look. You see right here you're going to have one cover guys. Go ahead, remove it, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. So guys, be mentally prepared because we'll be checking multiple fuses in up to 4 different fuse boxes today. Now guys, okay, we don't know exactly which fuse it is. All these are for engine management, so if you have problems related to that, always check these fuses. One of them will be for that as well guys, and let's talk about that now. The first fuse that we need to check is fuse number 315. You see that fuse right here will need to be checked. Now next we need to open the hood. This is a fuse box that most people are familiar with. It's on the driver's side. Here guys, you can see you have that turning knob here, one on the back side, turn them 90 degrees, counterclockwise, leave that cover, and underneath you can kind of even see it here. It's the main engine fuse box. It's a white box with a black cover. Remove that black cover by removing the 2 bolts with Torx 22, open it, and you have that fuse box layout here. Specifically here you need to check fuse 126 right here. Okay, another one. You may have fuse 122. Some of you may have an extra fuse right here on some fuse boxes. Next, you need to guys check relay G. You have one relay that's known as J, that's O, J and L. Here in the middle it's relay J, right here guys, and that relay is, you can see it under that cover integrated there. After that guys, we're not done. We're still under the hood, but on the left side, passenger side here, check it out. Under that cover that you have the battery symbol. Underneath is your positive jump starter terminal. If you look from a different angle, that's actually a pretty fuse box. We have many wires and cables going in. And if you open one of them, you have a design that looks something like this one. You have multiple fuses on the inside. Now, guys, depending on the year, model and engine, you may have two different options here. One of them, you may have this one, and you need to check fuse number 12 right here, fuse number 12, and you need to check, guys, fuse number 3 right here, that fuse. Next, you need to, guys, if you have that design, that will be different one. Okay, here you will need to check fuse number 5, guys. We're talking about this fuse right here. We're not done. Unfortunately, there is more fuses. So, open the trunk cover here, and underneath, okay, right here in the right corner near the carpet liner, you have another carpet that's cut out. Lift the flap, and underneath is the main trunk fuse box. Here you need to check fuse number 442, that fuse right here, and 451, this fuse right there. Also, guys, those are the main fuses that you need to check. If you still have that problem, it could be related to problems with the sensor, or it could be even in some cases problems with the engine computer. It happened to us one time as well. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below, so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.